Built on a powerful CAD platform, Verisurf CAD is the core of Verisurf's model-based metrology software. With Verisurf CAD, you can import all popular CAD formats, create models from blueprints, and manipulate large part assemblies. As the industry moves rapidly toward model-based manufacturing, Verisurf CAD allows even print-based users to enjoy the efficiency of model-based metrology. Verisurf CAD includes hundreds of custom tools to help make your job easier, and the architecture even allows you to create your own custom tools. With the Verisurf line of products, you can design, machine, build, inspect, and reverse engineer, all within a single application. Verisurf is the only dimensional metrology platform that can create CAD models from scratch using wireframe, surface, and solid modeling, and document them with drafting and intelligent model-based definition. Wireframe modeling includes comprehensive design and editing tools, which form the basis of many surface and solid modeling workflows. Powerful surface modeling functions start with simple geometric primitives and advance to complex surface blends. Parasolid modeling includes extrude, revolve, loft, sweep, fillet, chamfer, shell, and draft, with Boolean operations and multiple feature patterns. The Model Prep ribbon allows you to modify solids that have no history to edit. You can select faces of a solid body to change the length. You can modify the radius of fillets or remove them altogether. You can select bosses or cavities and move them, copy them, or eliminate them entirely. Verisurf drafting enhances CAD models with linear, radial, angular, ordinate, and arc length dimensioning, hold tables, and drafting annotations. An essential part of Verisurf CAD, Model-Based Definition, or MBD, allows users to associate datums, datum targets, and GD&T callouts with the features in a model. MBD links Verisurf's measure, build, and analysis modules to the manufacturing process. This common basis for machining, assembly, and inspection helps to reduce scrap and to produce assemblies with greater efficiency and accuracy. Verisurf CAD provides seamless interoperability with virtually all CAD platforms to address today's manufacturing needs. Verisurf CAD opens native files from CAD-TIA, NX, Pro-E, and numerous others, and can even read FTA from CAD-TIA VFOD files. This flexibility makes it easy to import, export, and manipulate virtually any CAD model, including solids, surfaces, wireframes, and meshes. To schedule a consultation, please call us at 888-713-7201 or email us at sales@verisurf.com.